Residential sales comparison and income approaches, page 190. Replacement reserves. There are 4 remaining items for which the appraiser determined it is appropriate to estimate an annual replacement reserve. Roof, HVAC, 4 units, carpet, and appliances for the 4 living units. Even though all those items have been replaced in the past 3 years, a replacement reserve should be considered. The appraiser has made the following estimates regarding these items. Note, to derive the annual replacement reserve, the estimated cost of the component as of the point in time the component needs to be replaced is divided by the estimated number of years remaining until replacement is required. Roof. The roof has approximately 25 years of economic life remaining and will need to be replaced at a cost of $25,000. Here's the formula. You take $25,000, which is the cost to replace, divide it by 25 years. That equals $1,000 annual replacement reserve. HVAC. The units serving each living unit, which is 4, will need to be replaced in approximately 15 years at a cost of $7,500 each. Here's the formula. You take 4 for the number of units. Multiply that by $7,500, which was the cost of each HVAC. That equals $30,000 total. Now, divide that by 15 years, which is the lifespan. That equals $2,000 annual replacement reserve that needs to be put away each year. Carpet. All units, total of 2,000 square feet, have a remaining economic life of 6 years. Replacement is estimated to be $30 per square yard. I don't know who the fuck measures in square yards, but whatever. So you take the 2,000 square feet, divide it by 9. That equals $222.22 square yards. Then you take the $222.22 of square yards, or whatever in square yards, times it by $30. That equals $6,666.67. Divided by 6 years equals $1,111.10 annual replacement reserve. Appliances. Each unit has a refrigerator, a range, and built-in dishwasher. There is an estimated 12 years remaining until they require replacement. Estimated replacement cost is $1,500 per unit. So you take the number 4, multiply it by $1,500. That's 4 units times the $1,500, the cost per unit. That equals $6,000. Divide that number by 12 years, equals $500 annual replacement reserve. Replacement reserves. Roof, $1,000. HVAC, $2,000. Carpet, $1,110.10. And appliances, $500. Add them all up, your total annual replacement reserves is going to be $4,610.10. Note, in some cases, the replacement reserves may be determined using a sinking fund factor, which takes into consideration the reserves being deposited into an interest-bearing account with compounding. This practice is not common for most small residential properties. Extra note, replacement reserves reflect the anticipated cost to replace an item at the end of its economic life, divided by the number of years until replacement is needed. Page 191. The appraiser's summary of expenses for the reconstructed operating income statement in the assignment looks like this. Here's your operating expense summary. You start with fixed expenses. Always number one, real estate taxes. That comes to $2,778.59. Next is insurance, $1,855.60. Next is trash dumpster, annual level contract. That comes to $600. Next is security light at rear, annual level contract. Total is $360. So all your fixed expenses came to for this category was $5,594.19. Next is variable expenses. First one is water. That's $1,200. Next is building maintenance / repairs. That came to $1,500. Landscaping / snow removal. That comes to $1,800. A la verga. Extermination, as needed, $500. Miscellaneous supplies, $250. Miscellaneous expenses, $500. Management fees, 3% of effect. 3% of effective gross income is $32,760. That comes to $982.80. Your total variable expenses came to $6,732.80. And then lastly, replacement reserves. The roof was $1,000, HVAC $2,000, carpet $1,110.10. Appliances, $500. Your total replacement reserves came to $4,610.10. So your total operating expenses comes to $16,937.09. Once the appraiser has estimated the operating expenses for the subject property, the next step is to develop net operating income. Here is the appraiser's conclusion. So you have $33,600 for your potential gross income, minus the $840 for vacancy loss. That equals $32,760. That's your effective gross income. Now you minus your total operating expenses, which we came to $16,937.09. Once again, that's your total operating expenses. Your final net operating income is going to be $15,822.91. Extra note, operating expenses are the sum of fixed expenses, variable expenses, and replacement reserves.